You will hear two students discussing the arrangement for the high school prom. First, you'll have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. You'll see there is an example which has been done for you. On this occasion, only the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Hi, Sarah. You know, we really should start thinking about the high school prom. We've only got another 3 weeks, so I reckon it's about time we sat down and finalised the details.
Yes, I know what you mean. What did you have in mind?
Jim said they have another 3 weeks to think about the school prom. Therefore, 3 weeks has been written in the notes. Now we should begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Hi, Sarah. You know, we really should start thinking about the high school prom. We've only got another 3 weeks, so I reckon it's about time we sat down and finalised the details.
Yes, I know what you mean. What did you have in mind?
What about hiring a room?
What, a big function room, you mean? Like the one in the hotel down the road? What's it called? The Grand?
Yeah, that's the one. And to answer your question, yes, that is the hotel I was thinking of.
So how much does the room cost? Altogether, I mean.
£750 for the night.
£750? Let me see now. That's, there's what, 300 students about to graduate?
Approximately 360, actually.
OK, then that'll work out at, well, about £2 per person? Little over, in fact. So if we factor in some drinks and the other stuff, you know, decorations and that sort of thing, I guess we'd have to charge, what, £3 per student? But then on top of that, they've got to hire their dresses and suits, and they're not cheap. My sister paid £20 for hers, and that was 2 years ago. They're going to be more expensive now. And then there's transport, although I guess we could call on the parents for that. But there's the drinks as well. I think it's going to be too expensive. What about the school hall? It is, after all, a graduation dance, and the school seems the ideal place. We can dress the room up, you know, make it look nice.
Yes, I guess you're right. At least it'll reduce the cost. Now, what about a dress code? I mean, we can't just have people wearing jeans and stuff, not to a school prom.
Well, last year the boys had to wear a formal suit and the girls were all dressed in ball gowns. They looked great, all of them. But I was thinking that we should make it less formal. You know, stipulate no jeans and t-shirts. We don't want any scruffs at the party, but other than that, let people decide for themselves.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you'll have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
You know that last year some people said they couldn't attend the prom because they couldn't afford to hire an evening dress or suit. The students from poor families, I mean. So I reckon if we relax the dress code, this won't be a problem.
OK, why not? Now, about the shopping list.
Shopping list?
Drinks and stuff. I can order the drinks from the same place as last time. We got a good deal last year, remember? £150, I think they were. And that was for all the drinks. It'll be more than that this year, though, of course.
Yeah, of course, especially after the last budget. And then there's inflation and stuff.
Actually, I've already checked it out. £175 for the drinks, plus an extra £5 deposit. We get that back when we return the empty bottles. I'll pick them up on the day of the prom.
Well, that's cheap enough. And on your way, why don't you go down to the department store, see if you can pick up a banner. You know, something that says, "Welcome to the high school prom."
OK, so you'll get the leaflets then? We need to get a notice printed next to the common room, don't forget, and let people know when and where it is.
No problem. I've already written it. I just need to get it to the printers.
Great. So let's get this lot done and we can meet again in, say, a couple of days?
Yeah, sure. Sounds good to me. How does Tuesday sound?
Yeah, sure. No problem. I'll see you then.
Will do. Bye.
That is the end of section 1.